Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. So this time, we're gonna cook the tilapia. We'll marinate it first a little bit, and put a little bit of hold on. Put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom first. Then we'll put the fish. Then we'll put everything, the ingredients, tomatoes. It's up to you however you want to cut the ingredients, or the tomatoes and the ginger. Sorry, you have to wind that bottom first. Then we can add a little bit of lemon, just half of the lemon. And then the balimbi, half pounds of balimbi, or Kamias, actually in Tagalog. You can put less of Kamias if you want, or balimbi. If you don't want it so much, it's okay too. Then we'll add a little bit of thyme. My hands are wet, so so anyways, hold on. So we'll marinate it for a few minutes, and then we can start cooking it. I'm just putting another spices. A little bit of spices, and then ground pepper, and then we'll put more olive oil on top. This is out. Okay, so that's it, and then we will just put it on the the stove, and then cook it after 10 minutes. Okay, thank you for the likes and subscribe. Bye bye.